You're in control of the timing of the bridge of events. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. And in this video, I am going to share with you why you are in control of the timing of the bridge of events. But first, if you would like to get coached by me, I offer an online course, Manifest Your SP Mastery. This is where I show you step by step exactly how to manifest the version of your specific person that you desire. I also offer monthly membership coaching. This is where you can get live group coaching with me on a weekly basis to really stay on top of your manifestation game. And finally, I also offer one-on-one coaching to help you manifest anything your heart desires. This also includes text and voice note membership. You can get access to any of these offerings by simply clicking the link below in the description box. Okay, let's get back to this video. You are in control of the timing of the bridge of events. Now, where I want to start with this is by first shining some light on what is the bridge of events, and secondly, why you guys should stop analyzing if you're on the bridge of events or not. So firstly, the bridge of events is basically the story in the 3D of how your manifestation unfolds. So let's say you've been manifesting a version of your specific person that you desire. Maybe it's a committed relationship, or maybe it's marriage. And you've been really living in the new state. You've been living in your desired reality. You have been operating as the version of you that is already in a loving, happy, committed relationship with your specific person. You really know your value and your worth. And you're moving through your day from this state of being, from this version of you that knows it's done. When this occurs, and this is your dominant state, there will be a story in the 3D that unfolds that you will call the bridge of events. So an example could be maybe your specific person reaches out to you and messages you. And it's been 4 or 5 months and they're like, hey, I've really been missing you. Can we please talk? I want us to give it another go. Maybe that's how it unfolds for you. So in the 3D, the story is, oh, your specific person has been thinking about you for the last 4 or 5 months, and now they're reaching out to you because they miss you and they want to give it another shot. That's the story in the 3D. That's called the bridge of events. Another way in which the bridge of events could unfold is maybe you decide to go to Starbucks today, and it's unusual for you to go to Starbucks because maybe you're somebody who doesn't drink coffee, but nonetheless today you're like, hey, it's a really hot day and I fancy some iced coffee, so you go to Starbucks. And then when you're there, you bump into your specific person. And this is where you guys get talking, and then your specific person says to you, you know what, I've been thinking about you and I've been meaning to reach out, and here you are, and boom, that's how your manifestation unfolds. So the story is that you went to Starbucks, you felt inspired to go to Starbucks, you don't usually drink coffee, and then when you go there, you bump into your specific person. So that's the bridge of events. That's what we mean by the bridge of events. It's a story that unfolds in the 3D. Now, when it comes to the bridge of events, here's some of the things where people get trapped, common like pitfalls that they fall into. Number one, people start analyzing the bridge of events. Like, oh my God, am I on the bridge of events right now? Maybe this is the bridge of events. Oh, my friend called me today and they're also friends with SP. Maybe this is a bridge of events. And then they start analyzing if it's the bridge of events or not. Number one, you will never know when you're on the bridge of events. It will be something that happens automatically and naturally. So if you're analyzing that you're on the bridge of events, stop doing that, because it just puts you in a state of lack. When you're analyzing if you're on the bridge of events or not, what you are claiming to your consciousness is, I'm not the version of me that already has it. Because the version of you that already has your manifestation, that's already in a loving, committed relationship with your specific person, is not thinking, am I on the bridge of events right now? I wonder if this is how it's going to happen. So this is something you want to be aware of. Number two, people always ask me, but Priya, how long does the bridge of events take? And here's the thing about that. You've got to remember how cause and effect works. You are the cause of your manifestation. The cause is your mind. The cause is your dominant state. What is going on in here? Out there in the 3D is the effect. That's the mirror. So the story, the bridge of events, is the mirror. It is the effect of what you caused in your mind by saturating yourself in the dominant state of being in a loving, committed relationship with your specific person. So the length of time that it takes the bridge of events to unfold is completely contingent on how long it takes you to lock into your desired state and for that to become your dominant state. So if it takes you a month to be in your desired state, then your manifestation will take a month. If it takes you 6 months to get into your desired state, then your manifestation will happen after 6 months. What do I mean by this? Well, again, remember that the bridge of events is just the story. So let's say that it takes you a month to get into your desired state. After a month, you have saturated your mind with, okay, me and my SP are in a happy, committed relationship, and that really is your dominant state. In the 3D, your specific person will confess their undying love to you and tell you they want to be in a relationship with you after a month, because that's how long it takes you to get into your desired state. But in the 3D, there might be a story to it. Maybe your specific person says to you, hey, you know what, I was on vacation for a month, and when I was on vacation, I was reflecting about you and I really missed you, and that's what made me realize that you're the love of my life. There will be a story, but what you want to realize is the story is the cause, right? There will be something that happens in the 3D that makes it look like, oh yeah, this is why it took SP a month. Or it might not, it could be illogical too. But my message here, what I'm really honing in on is that it's not that, oh, your SP took a month to heal or it took them a month to get their act together, although that might be the story of the bridge of events. What actually happened was it took you exactly a month to get into the wish fulfilled, and then that was reflected back in your reality. And more often than not, there's a story to it. Sometimes it can be illogical. Sometimes people just say, hey, my specific person just called me and told me, let's get back together. And there was no logic to it. A couple of months ago, they told me that they hate me and they want nothing to do with me. And now it's like a 180. That can also happen. But my message is that you are the cause. The bridge of events is the effect. So when you're asking yourself, well, how long does it take? How long does a bridge of events take? The bridge of event is not a thing. That implies separation. That implies there's a place to get to. But creation's finished. Your manifestation's already done. So the second you shift into your desired state and be the version of you that has your specific person that's in a loving, committed relationship with them, or that is happily married to them, the minute you are saturated in that identity, your 3D reality will reflect that back to you. And if it takes you 6 months to get into that state, your manifestation will occur after 6 months. But it has nothing to do with your specific person. It had nothing to do with this is how long it took them to heal, or this is how long it took them to get over their childhood trauma. That might just be the story of the bridge of events, but you were the cause, meaning after 6 months, you locked into the wish fulfilled. So that's when your manifestation happened, and there will be some story in the 3D. So my message is the bridge of events is the effect. You are the cause. So the amount of time it takes you to manifest the version of your specific person that you desire is completely contingent upon how long does it take you to get into the desired state and for that to be your dominant state. So you absolutely want to stop analyzing the bridge of events, because that's the effect. Your focus is to stay in your desired state in your mind. That's the cause. The bridge of events will be the effect. There will be some storyline in the 3D, and people normally say, oh, that was a synchronicity, but really it was all instant. It happened the moment you activated the state. It's instant. And there will be some story like, oh, it took me a month because I was really messed up for a month and I had to heal for a month, or whatever it is, but that's just all the story. Like, another example to really lock this in simple terms is, let's say that today you're thinking about Bob and it's 3 p.m. and Bob is your friend. And then you look down at your phone and you realize that Bob messaged you at 2 p.m. And you're thinking, oh, wow, look at that. I was just thinking about Bob and he'd actually sent me a message. Oh my gosh, he must have been thinking about me. Oh my God, maybe Bob was messaging me. Maybe he was sending me thoughts. No, that's not what happened. Right? You thought about Bob. You're the cause. And then in the 3D, the storyline is, oh, look, Bob messaged you at 2 p.m. If you hadn't thought about Bob, that storyline of, oh, look, Bob messaged you at 2 p.m. would have never happened. You are the cause. And the storyline in the 3D, the bridge of events, is the effect. So I hope that makes it clear about the bridge of events, because sometimes people get really wrapped up in this, like, am I on the bridge of events? Oh my God, is this the bridge of events? How will I know if I'm on the bridge of events? And it's like, you're missing the point that manifestation is instant. So the second you lock into your desired state, it will be instant, you will be guided, you will be moved, it won't be something you're thinking about. Or it could be that you don't do nothing, you just receive a phone call from your specific person, or they show up at your doorstep. But either way, it will be instant. And then there will be some storyline, and that's called the bridge of events, but it's the effect. It's not the cause. It's not some separate thing that people think it is. Your manifestation will be instant the second you lock into your desired state, and that becomes your dominant state. And the bridge of events is just the story in the 3D. Sometimes it can look logical, sometimes it can look illogical. An example of this, say if somebody is manifesting money and they get into the desired state of somebody who is abundant as fuck. Maybe the bridge of events is that somebody gifts them money, or that they get a pay raise at work, right? That's more of like a logical bridge of events or a logical story. However, some people could just manifest money in their bank account out of thin air. For whatever reason, X amount just shows up in their bank account. Right? That's more of an illogical story to like the human mind, but either way, that's also a bridge of events. And again, all of it was contingent upon how fast does it take you to get into the desired state. And the minute you get into the desired state, it is instant. Your manifestation will be instant, but there will be some storyline in the 3D that can be logical or illogical. So your only job, to really simplify this, is to focus on being the version of you that already has your specific person, that is in the loving, committed relationship with your specific person, or that is happily married to them, or whatever it is that you want. You can apply this to any other manifestation. Your job is to focus on shifting your state of consciousness to be that version of you that already has it. And the whole point of that is that you are giving it to yourself from within, because you understand you're the source of everything. When you give it to yourself from within, you will stop seeking it because you feel like you already have it. And when you stay there dominantly, so that that's your dominant state, that's when your manifestation will happen. That's when the bridge of events will get activated, which is actually instant, but there will be some storyline in the 3D to give you the illusion of time. So to summarize, your only job is to focus on your state of being, to focus on your identity, on being the version of you that has it. Forget about the bridge of events. Forget about, am I on the bridge of events or am I not on the bridge of events? Stop analyzing. If that is what you are doing, then you're not actually having a full understanding of how manifestation works. And the bridge of events is the effect, it's the story, but your mind caused the instant manifestation, but sometimes there is a storyline to that instant manifestation, which gives you the illusion of time. Oh, I had been working on myself for a month. No, it was instant. You tapped into that timeline when you got into your desired state, and that became your dominant state. But then there was some story in the 3D, but it was all instant. So that's why it's so important to come back to focusing on self. There is nobody else to change but self. Your only job is to focus on self. Your job is to give it to yourself from within, because remember, you are the source of everything. When you give it to yourself from within, that is when it will be reflected back to you in the 3D. The 3D is the effect, and you, through your awareness, you are the cause. So when it comes to controlling the timing of the bridge of events, what is really meant by this is that manifestation is instant. When you become the version of you that already has your manifestation, that's in a loving, committed relationship with your specific person from within, that will be reflected back to you instantly. But there will be some story in the 3D that will make it appear like there's some linear story, and that's what we call the bridge of events, but it's really all instant and it's happening now, because the only thing that exists is the now, and manifestation is always instant. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.